Behind me we have Cascata D'Arado. Now this is one of the waterfalls most easy to access by car in Gerês. Now you can park your car at Miradouro das Rocas and then you walk 10 minutes to this viewpoint. You have to walk up a steep step of stairs, so it's not for the faint-hearted. Now if you do want to swim in this waterfall as well, it's really easy to get to. So at the moment I'm stood at the top looking down at it, but if you go to the river that's on the right hand side and cross underneath the bridge, then you can walk down below like the people down there and go for a dip. As you walk back to where you have parked the car, you have a great viewpoint which I would recommend to visit. Whenever you see the signs with the word Miradouro in Portugal, you should always follow these signs. Miradouro translates to viewpoint, so I can guarantee it's always going to be a picture-perfect spot. Located at almost 800 meters above sea level, Miradouro das Rocas, this viewpoint provides a panoramic view over the Gerês Mountains and the river valley. The pine forest stands out in the landscape, and on the horizon are some of the main peaks of the Gerês mountain range. We met this old guy this morning who lives around here, and he told us to walk through the woods and find this bridge, and then we'll keep finding more and more waterfalls. And we must almost be there, because look, we see water finally. We've been walking for like 30-40 minutes through some rocky journey, fell over some rocks God knows how many times, and now we might finally take a swim in here. Look at this fresh water.
Looks amazing.
And literally no one around. I guess we call that a local tip. Don't know how we're gonna find the way back, but we'll think about that after. It's been like 20 minutes since the last video update. Let me just get over these stones, and I hear some water. Oh my god, it's getting louder. And there's a bridge, so it must be the crossing. Oh my god, look at this. Literally, there's only a couple of people in there as well. I don't think this video shows how cool this looks. Look up there, the people chilling on the rocks, and then the water. This bridge though doesn't look very stable. And then the water's flowing through there. My god, I'm gonna have to cross this bridge. It's got all these gaps in it. Seems alright though, it's not wobbling. Now, we just need to get over there. We are at our last viewpoint of the trip. This is Miradouro da Pedra Negra. It's a little bit hard to find. You just have to park on the side of the road and then walk up a trail that looks like nobody's been up in a while. There was loads of overgrown trees, but we carried on walking and we're the only ones here. Clearly nobody walks up this path but us. We're at 575 altitude, and you can see in the background behind me, so you can see the center down here. And then over behind me you can see the river. We went for a swim in that river yesterday, and then you've got some beaches on the side as well, where there's like inflatables and water sports that you can do as well. So I'm going to end my vlog here because I'm going to go to my next destination now. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.